I sabi play snooker. Make e no be for mouth. Now make Pop 360 Gaming Lounge organize snooker tournament for all the Michael Snookers. Can you play snooker? There's a tournament for you. It goes like this. You register with a sum of 1,000 naira, and guess what? The winner is going to go home with a sum of 10,000 naira. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Registration is ongoing, and the registration will be closing on the 9th of May. The main day for the tournament is 11th of May. How far now? Come win 10,000 now with 1,000. Trust me, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be marvelous. It's going to be. I'll be there, live and direct. Shebi sabi play snooker. Come on, meet. See flyer for more details. Thank you.